Welcome back. Let's continue with our preparation of Salesforce admin certification, and let's start with our practice question for today. And here is the first question on screen. Try to guess the answer of this question and I will show you the answer. Next slide. So if you know the meaning of recycle bin in the computer, then you will be able to correct answer. Are able to. Let's see the correct answer. So the correct answer is option B, to store deleted records temporarily for recovery. Let's move on to the question number second. Question is, what does the term pull-up summary field represent? And here are four options. Try to guess it. I hope you are able to guess the correct answer. Let's see the correct answer of this question. Correct answer is option A, a field that automatically calculates values based on related records. Let's move on to the question number 3. If you know the meaning of data validation or validation rule, then you will be able to guess the correct answer. Let's see the correct answer of this question. The correct answer is option C, as I said, define validation rule. Let's move on to the question number 4. Let's see the answer of this question. The correct answer is option B, chatter. Now let's move to the question number 5th, and it is on your screen. And if it seems like I am giving too much time for you to think about the answer, then please let me know in the comment box. I can got the video. Let's see what is the answer of question number 5. And the correct answer is A, combine duplicate account records. So merge account is used to combine duplicate account records. Let's move on to the next question. Here they are asking about governor limits in Salesforce. And if you want to learn more about governor limits, then I will add the video on the I button top. And also if you want the slides, then please let me know in the comment box below so I can share the link description. Let's see what is the answer of this question. And the correct answer is A, limit imposed by Salesforce prevent abuse and ensure fair usage. I hope it was the like you are able to guess the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 7. Is let's see the answer of question number 7. And the correct answer is option D, build custom applications without code. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. It is related to permission. Let's see the answer of this question. Correct answer is option C, use permission sets. Let's move to the Next question. This is question number 9. And what is the difference between, and if you want me to create a similar videos related to platform developer one, then please also let me know in comment box below. You can also follow Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, queries. You can paste the queries in the comment box. I hope you are able to guess the question number 9. Let's move on to answer. Correct answer is option C. Dashboards are collection of reports and other components. Let's move to the last question. Is question number 10. I hope you are able to guess the answer. Let's see the correct option. The correct answer is option B, set build level security. So that's it in this video. I will come up with some more questions in the next video. Till then, please like the video, comment your queries on comment section, and share the videos with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.